Well, I just wanted to take a few minutes and go over a little portion of that problem, which was um, 4 7B, 4 7B from our week 8 quiz. So, what I wanted to do was actually show the journal entries that would be needed for that problem. I think there were some questions with that. So I wanted to do the journal entries and um, say some words over that. And I hope it sheds some light on what is to be done with that problem. So when we look at the whole problem, it lists out the transactions and what um, needs to be posted. So the first thing that we need to do is get the date. So we've got August 5th, and we've got cash. We've also have accounts receivable, and we're going to debit that for $1,200, and then we're going to credit accounts receivable for $1,200. Then on August the 10th, we've got our, they put salaries, what is it, salaries, and we've got wages payable, and we've got a debit there for 1420, and then we've got our salaries and wages expense. And we've got that for 1700. And then what we do, we've got another entry for cash because we're actually paying off the salaries and wages that are due. So we've got that total for 3,120. And then on August 12th, we've got our equipment. I'm misspelling equipment. We've got our equipment, and then we've got that. That's a debit for $2,000. And then we've got accounts payable. So we've got that equipment on credit, and that's another 2,000. So then we're going to go to, oh, I'm missing one. Sorry. So that was actually August the 15th. That should be August the 15th. And let's see here. Let's put this down here. This is August the 15th. And August the 12th, we've got the service revenue. So let's look at this. August 12th, we've got cash coming in, and then we've got our service revenue. So we've got a debit to cash for 2,800, and then we got a credit to service revenue for 2,800. Should be formatted. Let's see here. Let's format the cells. There we go. And then let's move on to August 17th. Then we've got supplies, and then that's 860 debit, so we bought some supplies. And then we've got accounts payable for 860. Then we're moving to August 20th. So I know this is exciting stuff, everybody. And I know this is, this isn't easy. And I really like this problem because the problem actually has everyone getting in there and doing some accounting work, because the system is set up to actually post the transactions, so you can get a feel for how it is to actually input everything and to get the accounting work done. So I thought it was a great problem in that sense. I know it was not easy. There's a lot of questions with it, but the great thing is everybody was able to get their feet wet with the problem and actually have a chance to really see how everything is done. And that's the important thing, to have that experience. So we've got another entry here. And let's see here. Got another entry here. So salary expense 2,900. Oops, 2,900. And then we got cash. I'm gonna create there. And we're almost done with the journal entries here. And I know Nancy and a couple other students had questions about this, and that's really I know you had some great questions about it, and that's why I wanted to just take the time to actually put this together. Sorry, it's hard for me to talk and type. Typing is not my forte, so I wanted to take some time to put this together for you, or at least to show you what this looks like, and hopefully this helps as far as shedding light on the problem. So let's see here, we're at the unearned service revenue. This is really it. So we've come to the end. These are the entries for the problem. And these are the inputs that we would see on the front end of the problem. And I hope this helps. There's also the adjusting entries. Once you put in the adjusting entries, the system itself will actually post everything. So that would be processed as well. So again, great job, everyone. I hope this helps with this problem for 7B. If you have any other questions, let me know.